How you can add the music to your Facebook post. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can add the music after posting. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go into your Facebook and here you have to go into your profile. Now to add the post you just have to scroll down and you have to go in this your post and go in the reel. Now basically you just have to add the post, any post that you want to add into your Facebook. So now once you add it, now how you can add the music, as you can see that here is the option of the audio, so you just have to click on it and here you have to search the music that you want to add, or you can also search the artist, that from which artist you want to select your music. So once you select your music you just have to click on this plus icon and here you can control this audio by adjusting its volume as you want, and you can also select your favorite part. Like if you click on it and here you can simply click on it, now you just have to select the favorite part that you want to add into your post. So once you add it, just have to click on the done and again click on the done, and you have to go in the next and you just have to simply add your post into the Facebook. Now after posting the post, if you want to edit the music of the post, and if you go in it and click on these three dots, now as you can see that there is no option to change the music, so you just have to go and create a new post and delete the previous one. So this is how you can add the music to your Facebook post. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.